What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work. And today we're talking about my 10 tips for network marketers on TikTok. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on 10 tips for network marketers on TikTok. Alright, so no, I'm not like the biggest TikToker ever, not at all. But there's some tips that I came across that I think everybody should try. Alright, so let's start with number 1. Be consistent. Just like any other platform, consistency is the key to winning, right? Especially on TikTok. TikTokers don't respect the people that don't have any consistency. Matter of fact, most platforms don't respect those who are not on their grind consistently. But TikTok is definitely one of those platforms. You have to post at least 3 to 5 times a week because the way the platform is set up. So definitely go ahead and churn them out, all right? Number 2, don't be a perfectionist. Since TikTok is a platform similar to Twitter where volume is more respected than quality, you should definitely not worry about having the perfect video. You just need to keep running them. Number 3, don't worry about the numbers. Most people are worried that no one is watching than actually just putting up the content to get noticed. You have to build a buzz around you, and the way to do this is to keep posting. Even when the view count or your followers aren't high, you have to push through and keep on. Number 4, short videos win. Even though TikTok is actually letting creators make longer videos, you want to continue focusing on shorter videos, okay? 2 to 3 minutes is a good guide to go by, all right? And if you have a YouTube channel, then you might want to build longer videos on your YouTube channel and just chop them down and upload them on TikTok. There you go. Number 5, make Ask Me How videos. This is one of the most standard marketing tactics on social media. First, you make a video demonstrating the product, opportunity, or personal success. As an example, if you're in the weight loss industry and have lost a lot of weight thanks to the product or company you're promoting, you could show a before picture or hold up one of your old pieces of clothing like pants or shirts or anything like that. And after you've done this, you close simply with Ask Me How, right? This form of video works well because it favors shorter videos and piques curiosity without annoying your viewers too much, right? Number 6, my favorite, make how-to videos. How-to videos are another easy and standard form of marketing videos because you can lead with value and then at the end of the video, lead your followers to click on the link that you're selling, all right? And make sure the how-to videos coincide with your TikTok videos and not too far out or away from what you actually are doing. Number 7, controversy never hurt, okay? Sometimes you want to give them those raw videos, something that's going to make your viewers know where you stand on certain topics. Make videos calling out MLM haters by saying most people who failed simply didn't put in the work. You know what I'm saying? While it may seem obvious to successful marketers, it's a good way to, bring some controversy within the divisive TikTok crowd. Or if you have an approach to marketing that works for you but goes against mainstream advice, a video about that might be a good approach. Don't be afraid of controversy if what you're doing works, because sometimes trying to please everyone is a recipe for disaster. All right, controversy typically prompts engagement, like people, leaving comments and things of that nature, but it might not be in the form of, people saying, "Oh, we love your videos." Like, they might just be like, "We hate you. We hate what you're saying. No, we don't agree. That sounds crazy. What are you talking about?" Things of that nature. And if you can deal with that, it's a good way to get lots of views quickly. All right. Number 8, make sure you have a niche. Okay. TikTok has a lot of different things going on it. Okay. Since I've been on TikTok, I've realized that there's like lanes for everybody. So you want to pick a lane and ride that lane. Okay. You want to pick that niche, whatever that niche is, and ride that niche. Don't divert. Don't go this way. Don't go that way. Stick to your game plan. I'm telling you, you'll find your crowd on TikTok just by sticking to your niche. Okay, just like you find your crowd on YouTube, just find your crowd. Maybe not so on Instagram, but I know TikTok and YouTube are kind of similar in that nature. Okay, where you can find your crowd that is looking for your type of videos. You just gotta find them. Okay. That leads me to number 9. Make sure you know who you're looking for. Okay, yeah, you know your niche, but you want to know what type of people you are looking for, and what type of people are looking for you. Okay, you got to tailor your videos to them. Okay, keep your videos focused on building your crowd, your people that engage with your type of videos, that like your content, okay? Because there's nothing worse than you trying to mimic someone else and end up in the wrong crowd. It's like high school almost, okay? You want to stay with your crowd and run with the people that run with you, all right? So that's basically that. And number 10, use the advertising, okay? TikTok is very simple. You can actually put money up and get people to find you and get down with your content. Go ahead and subscribe to your TikTok channel, okay, whatever you want to call it, and they end up being in your hemisphere, being in your web, just by putting up $20, $30 every week, every month, whatever your budget entails, whatever budget you can come up with. But I advise you to come up with a budget of advertising and use it to advertise you, not your product, but you, and have them subscribe to you, connect with you, and then you'll be able to sell them your product on the back end. Okay, you never want to lead with the product. Okay, you're probably not going to get that many people in your web if you lead with the product. You want to lead with you. You want them to buy into you, buy into what you are about, what you bring to the table. Okay, and once they do that, then they'll be more apt to buy from you because they like you. It's all about you, right? So thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thanks for being a wealth builder. Because it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself. Signing off for my top 10 tips for network marketers on TikTok. Do remember, wealth builders, we make more, we save more, and we build more. Peace.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.